In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code in Google Slides in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in and go through this easy step-by-step process. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Google Slides. If you already have it bookmarked, you can click the direct link. Once there, sign into your Google account. Make sure you're using the account you want to associate your work with, as this will ensure all your presentations are easily accessible in the future. On the Google Slides homepage, you have a couple of options. You can start a blank presentation from scratch or choose from a variety of templates that Google offers. If you're just practicing or want something simple, selecting a blank presentation is a convenient choice. However, if your QR code needs to be part of a themed presentation, feel free to explore the template options. With your presentation ready, navigate to the Extensions menu on the top bar of Google Slides. Click on Extensions, then hover over Add-ons and select Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace where you can find extensions to enhance your Google Slides experience. In the search bar, type QR code and press Enter. You'll see various QR code generators available as add-ons. We recommend selecting a simple and straightforward QR code generator. Click on it and follow the prompts to add it to your Google Slides. Once the add-on is installed, return to your presentation. You should now see the QR code generator available under the Add-ons section in the Extensions menu. Click on it and follow the prompts to create your QR code. You can input a URL, text, or even a number, depending on what information you want to encode. After entering the information and adjusting any settings, the QR code will be generated directly on your slide. You can resize it, reposition it, and integrate it seamlessly into your presentation. Consider adding a small label or instruction, such as "Scan me," to make it clear to your audience how to use the QR code. And just like that, you've successfully created a QR code in Google Slides. Whenever you share or present this slide, anyone can scan the code with their mobile device to instantly access the encoded information. QR codes are a simple yet powerful tool for making your presentations more interactive, engaging, and professional. Now that you know how to create QR codes, you can use them to share links, resources, or extra content in a visually appealing way. Give it a try in your next presentation and watch your audience interact in real time. Happy presenting!